Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting the essentials in place. Pick the host machine with a decent GPU and a stable network connection. Once you have an account, install the Parsec host app and sign in. This links your identity to the machine. Make sure to plug into Ethernet when possible, because latency drops significantly. Also open the Parsec UDP range on your router or enable UPnP so peers can connect. Doing this early avoids connection problems later. Next, you configure the host for consistent streaming performance. Open Parsec settings and enable hosting, then choose a bandwidth cap and target resolution that match your upload speed. Grant Parsec GPU access and enable controller pass-through so clients see input devices. Change power settings to high performance and lock GPU to optimal mode. This prevents frame drops. Once done, verify the router's NAT type. A strict NAT can block sessions, so prefer open or moderate NAT and test a connection. Finally, set up client devices. Install the Parsec client, sign in, and request access to the host machine. You should test video quality, audio sync, and controller input immediately. If stuttering occurs, lower bitrate or resolution and switch encoder presets. Make sure to enable Allow Inputs on the host for controllers. If connections fail, check the host firewall rules, confirm UPnP or manually forward Parsec UDP ports, and enable router co-S for gaming traffic as a key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.